Chickens enjoying drone brood. Whoops, come on now. This is Gertrude, the one right in the middle. She's actually about 5 years old. Hi, Gertie. She actually only has one eye from a hawk attack. But nevertheless, the chickens, they love drone brood. You can see she's just picking them out one by one. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Here's another one here. Can't beat a drone brood afternoon snack, huh, Gertrude? Don't talk with your mouth full. Whoops. Here's a new side there. Go for it. Oh yeah. They're loving it. Love the drone brood. Love it. Here, let's put it up on the nails here. There you go.